Starting around 13 September 2023, AMP certainly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. AMP in every practical sense has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167 in a truly significant manner. This for the most part makes AMP really positioning at 193 in the digital money market. Or so they by and large thought. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP sort of be extremely worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? Is AMP a very wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will AMP cost in every practical sense outperform its record-breaking kind of high in a significant manner? These sort of are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. AMP value expectation 2023. As per the AMP figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally cross an especially normal value level of $0.003, the normal fundamentally least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to be $0.003, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, AMP can truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.003, which basically shows that will AMP cost certainly outperform its untouched, most certainly high in an unobtrusive manner. AMP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for AMP could in a real sense stretch around $0.003, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023 really is $0.003 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.003, which in a real sense is very critical. AMP value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of AMP in a real sense is gauged to sort of be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.003, which especially is genuinely critical. The AMP value worth can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.003, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, in an especially enormous way. AMP value estimate October 2023. The AMP gauge for October 2023 expects that the AMP may generally arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.003 with a base cost of around $0.003, which basically is genuinely critical. Discussing the fundamentally normal value AMP can truly stretch around $0.003 for October in a kind of significant manner. AMP value estimate November 2023. The AMP cost for November 2023 may sort of arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.003, while the exceptionally greatest gauge cost in a real sense is around $0.003, which really is very huge. The genuinely normal cost for AMP sort of is basically anticipated to especially reach $0.003 in November 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. AMP value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of AMP especially is estimated to generally be at around a truly least worth of $0.003, which for the most part is very critical. The AMP value worth can for the most part arrive at a really limit of $0.003, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, in a kind of enormous way. AMP fundamentally passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 6.66% in its certainly current worth, showing how AMP value expectation 2023, as per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost truly is supposed to generally cross an in every way that really matters normal value level of $0.003, the normal most certainly least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to all things considered, be $0.003, which basically is genuinely huge. Assuming that we sort of look at the really current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap generally is likewise down, especially for their appearance. How, assuming that we truly think about the ongoing business sector cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in a quite enormous manner. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the AMP basically was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 0.35%. So on the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP for the most part be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? AMP sort of has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to generally dive right in and especially contribute. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP especially diminished by 40.327%, killing an astounding normal amount of $0.002 from its genuinely current worth, demonstrating the way that the AMP value worth can truly arrive at a truly limit of $0.003, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be an especially decent basically purchase of potential open door for sort of speedy speculation, showing that moreover, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023 sort of is $0.003 with a typical cost of $0.003 in a significant manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 51.19%. And the value sort of circled from a least truly normal cost of $0.005 to truly greatest especially normal cost of $0.005 in the very beyond 90 days, or so they truly thought. AMP fundamentally is somewhere near 23.25% with the genuinely greatest especially normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $0.003 and the very least truly normal cost of in a real sense was around $0.003 and truly beyond 4 months in a genuinely significant manner. AMP value conjecture 2023 facts. What will especially be AMP especially worth in 2023? Which essentially is very huge. The AMP cost really is estimated to by and large arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.003, with pretty least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023, demonstrating the way that discussing the typical value AMP can for the most part stretch around $0.003 for October in a quite enormous manner. Does AMP truly have a future? Or so they sort of thought. As far as value, AMP especially has an extraordinary by and large potential to arrive at new levels in an especially enormous manner for the most part. It in every practical sense is gauge that AMP will increment in esteem, so AMP value conjecture September 2023